Alrighty, race fans, welcome back to another edition of the Workbench. Well, today we're going to talk about a new tool from Hardin Creek Slot Cars. I'm kind of excited about this. It's a new wheel puller that I just got in, and I'm really excited about it. So let's jump in and get after it. Alright, so a number of years ago I got a bunch of stuff in a lot of cars I bought. I don't know if it was on eBay or if it was a collection I bought out, but it came with this particular wheel puller, and I've never seen another one like it in HO scale. I think 1/24 or whatever they've got them like this, but when I first got this, I was like, what in the world is this? I was kind of used to using these more traditional U-frame pullers like this, and it was kind of odd trying to learn to do something new, but it turned out that I probably use this wheel puller right here more than anything else in terms of a puller when I'm working on these cars, and it's been worked so much it's about wore out. So it's like, man, I got to get another one made. So I says, well, heck, let's just get a production run of parts made, and that's what we did. So we just got these things in, and I think we did a very good job. So let's get into some of the details as about what this thing is. Hey, the traditional U-frame pullers are okay. They're nice. You can lay the axle in there and get the thing going there. You can also use it, and what I actually use these for now more than anything else is either pulling the gear or adjusting the gear one way or the other. So on my workbench, this tool is mainly for pulling gears or adjusting gears, and then I use this tool for pulling and or adjusting wheel hubs. Now, the nice thing about this is got a U-frame, and this U-frame is very thin right in here, and this is what makes this thing work. Where if you look at the traditional open U-frame style pullers, it's kind of thick in here to resist bending. Well, what happens when you try to, and plus this thing's long, the biggest downside is if you've over pushed your wheel hubs a little bit on installation and you want to make a real quick adjustment, you about can't get this dumb thing hardly in there for it to really work right. So this thing here, the way it's designed, it just gets right down into business, right down in there, and allows you to adjust these hubs while the axle is in the car. And that's really the big advantage of this little critter right here. So very excited about it. They're on eBay and the web shopping cart. I'd prefer that you get it out of the shopping cart rather than give eBay any more money than what we're forced to. So that's it. If you've got any questions about it, send me an email or give me a call. Thanks.